How's it going, YouTube? I wanted to make a video about how to profit off of precious metals. Just wanted to kick around some ideas on how people can profit off of precious metals, and I'd like to hear your comments on how you plan to profit off precious metals, or if you do already make profit off of precious metals. So I see a lot of people selling on eBay, and I've always questioned how that's profitable. And I saw some videos, people talking about how they make money on eBay. And a few of them, I did the math, and it didn't really make much sense to me. Somebody was saying about buying under spot and then, selling on eBay. And the percentages just didn't really add up to me. I'm sure it's possible. But I see a lot of these people selling, and I question how they can profit. I've thought about it and tried to do the math, and it just doesn't seem profitable to sell on eBay, unless they buy in huge quantities and then sit on it and wait for the price to go up and then sell. I have trouble figuring out how it's profitable to sell, especially for small-time investors. So also, I've looked at stocks and everything, and ETFs, and today actually I saw the price shoot up. The silver price went up quite a bit today, I think 2.5% or something in that range. So I actually bought some DSLV. It's a triple leveraged silver ETF that when the price goes down, the ETF goes up. I don't have a very good understanding of it. Probably shouldn't be investing in it, honestly. I don't have much faith in it as an investment vehicle. But just today when I saw the price shoot up quite a bit, I thought, well, maybe it'll come back down. I can make a couple bucks. The other problem with that is the cost of the trade to get into the stock and then the trade to get out. Me being a very small investor, I only have a few shares of it, so I'm counting on a pretty big swing in price in order to make any profit. And if I do make a profit, it'll be a pretty small profit. But, I'm hoping if tomorrow the price corrects down, I'll make a couple bucks and then sell it. So, and in the long term, I really think that the price of silver is going to go up. But I've heard arguments to the contrary, and I've heard some pretty good arguments from people that seem to be, making money on precious metals and in other ways. So I'm just interested in any ways that people can make money. I've used USLV, which is the opposite of the one that I was just talking about, where the price goes up, it pays triple, the rise in the price of silver. And I made a couple bucks on that, but not much, and it takes a lot to cover my trade. So, I cover the trade, make a couple bucks on it and sell it. And again, I really don't know much about those, don't have a lot of faith in it, and I lose some money here and there, make some money here and there. Pretty small time with that, but it piques my interest because with physical, the price of, the cost to buy the physical and then the cost to sell it is so prohibitive. I find it pretty difficult unless you're picking up, high premium silver for, spot plus prices. If you're paying like generic prices for something that's desirable and might sell for a premium. Or, if you're able to buy in huge quantities. Otherwise, I don't really see how selling physical is real profitable for someone. Besides the fact, if you buy a lot of it, sit on it, wait for a major price move, and then sell, that makes sense. As a hedge against inflation or for long-term profits, I think physical can't be beat. I've heard some other people, explaining how they make money. I'd love to hear your comments on it. I'm going to do a little, I'll call it an unboxing here, but it's going to be an unbagging. So I got this in the mail, and I'm going to open that up, do a little unbagging video here. Hopefully I don't cut it in the process. So, talking about making money and stuff, here's what I got in the mail today, if you could see it. It's raw dog. Seriously. So I just got that. It's actually a pretty nice shirt. And I watched some videos he just made. I saw how he's talking about how he made money. And I guess he makes $2 off of me buying that shirt. So, that's good. You can make shirts and sell them. What he was talking about is I guess he invests in a pretty large scale, buys monster boxes, it sounds like he bought low with a low premium, sat on it for a while, the price has gone up a little bit, and then he sold with a high premium. So I think he said he bought for like $1.50 over spot or something. The price has gone up just a little bit, and he sold for $2.50 over spot. And when you're dealing with monster box quantities, that makes sense. He made a good profit, good investment. And that's not for everybody. I can't get monster boxes, so looking at other ways to do it. I personally have got into preservation of wealth, and let's see here. It's actually Low Pros 11, the Low Pros 11 channel on YouTube, or San Pedro Silver. He put me onto this. There's some other people involved too on YouTube. You can find the videos, but it's basically like a wholesale bullion company and also a direct marketing company. Kind of like you get a membership like you would with Costco or Sam's Club, and it's marketing kind of like, you know, Avon or something, but instead of selling, you know, lotions and shampoos, you're actually selling something that's going to benefit the people that purchase it. Precious metals, they've got better pricing on their precious metals than the big, you know, sites and everything, than the, you know, the other competition. So you can get great prices on your bullion if you're interested in buying bullion, or if you're looking for a business, you could get involved with them and start marketing precious metals to people that might be interested in investing. Anybody that gets a membership through you, you get $100. So, you know, not only are you helping someone, but you're able to profit. $100 for a minimal investment, it's like $250 a year to join. So you're getting $100 for everybody that signs up. That's a pretty good return on investment. There's a lot of potential there, and you're actually helping the people that you sign up. So that's been a great opportunity for me. It's a low initial cost to get in, and you know, if you're interested in bullion, you get great pricing. I'm looking to hopefully get some generics through them. They got some really good prices on generics, on Eagles. I'll put a link down here at the bottom of the video. If you're interested, you can check out their website. And you know, for me, it's a great chance for a home business. So where, you know, I don't have the ability to buy huge amounts of physical and then sell it and be profitable. The stock thing is interesting, but I don't have any faith in it being a quality investment, and I don't have the money to do it on a large scale to where small volatility would be profitable for me. So it's more just a hobby. It's something I'm interested in but don't have any faith in, and don't make any money with. The preservation of wealth for $250, I've got a home business, I'm able to help people, I'm able to have something to offer when I talk about precious metals, something that people can look into for themselves, and without having a storefront and, you know, huge overhead and whatnot, it's a great chance to get a slice of the, you know, precious metals market and profit off of it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Anybody with any ideas on how to make money, how to profit from precious metals, or how to profit from other things in general, love to hear your comments, and thanks for watching.